How cute is this little retro label printer? This is a NIIMBOT B21 Pro, and I've been having a lot of fun. One of my favorite uses, printing QR codes for my artwork. Super clear and quick to make. I've also been using it to get my studio a little more organized. And I've been having some fun playing around with some branding logos. It's pretty great for that everyday boring stuff too. And since I'm going to be moving, these little labels are going to help me keep my sanity.